Keto Chow introduces our newest product, Keto Chum. Over 20 of your favorite sea critters unite for the healthiest, most sea-worthy flavor ever. Mackerel, swordfish, squid, tuna, flounder, halibut, mahi-mahi, snapper, anchovy, perch, salmon, bass, trout, pike, catfish, eel, sardine. 3 hours later. Tilapia, cod, dolphin, whale blubber, surfer dude, and mermaid. All carefully blended to become our most oceanic flavor ever for all those seafood cravings. Except for you blobfish, nobody wants you. It has so many proteins, vitamins, and omega-3s, you're gonna need a bigger boat. Plus, it's 100% keto-friendly. Keto Chum. Taste the 7 C's.